Hey guys, Travis here. I wanted to send this over to show you a few important things when building a website. Content is the first thing. Really, content is everything that you see on your page here, from headings to pictures, click to calls, but the main thing is the words. And Google's getting really big about having lots of words on your website. The content is important because it tells Google exactly what you do and where you do it. It also gives us the opportunity to fit in keywords such as dentist in Mount Pleasant or Gladwin Dentist. Having those keywords on your website will help Google find your website when a potential patient searches for that service. The second thing is citations. So citations give you a better ranking here in the map pack. Being in the top 3 of the map pack is important because it's normally the first thing in the search results, as you see here. Dentist Mount Pleasant, and then you got these guys on top. So a citation is when you list your business name, address, and phone number into a directory. Directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Chamber of Commerce, and so on. Backlinks also help rank in the map pack, and we'll get to that here in a second. So we go into here. Just like I mentioned, the third thing is backlinks. So I use this tool called Eris. It lets me see any website backlink profile and keywords that they're ranking for, as well as how much traffic that those keywords bring in. A backlink is simply when another website has a link on their site that goes back to your website. Backlinks are what power the keywords on your website to the top of Google. Like I said, Google wants to see other trustworthy sites vouching for your website by linking back to yours. So as you can see here, well, these are the keywords. So this is your Mount Pleasant site. You can see here you got 174 backlinks from 33 other websites. And these are your keywords that you're ranking for. So you're ranking for like your name and stuff, obviously, which is good. But these are the ones you really want to rank for, because these are what people are putting in Google when they're looking for your service. So you can see here that you're currently in the 13th spot in Google for this keyword, and that's bringing you in approximately 12 traffic per month, and this shows approximately how many people per month search that keyword. So backlinks have a lot to do with getting these keywords you up higher into the first position. For example, I have another Mount Pleasant dentist here. You can see Dentist Mount Pleasant, Michigan, and they're ranked second. That's bringing them in 268 traffic. So that's quite a bit of traffic that you're missing out on, and these same principles go for any city, such as Gladwin, which we'll be working with. But what I can do is I can go right into their backlink profile, and I can take a look at all their backlinks, and then I can go in here and get these same backlinks, because if Google thinks the competitors are good enough to rank them first, then they're definitely good enough to rank you too. So I would go in there, get the same ones, and then we could go get more, and we'll definitely outrank them. But those are the 3 main things when building and maintaining a website. I hope you guys found this useful and a little insight into the things that I do. I look forward to speaking again soon.